Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Learn Qur'an with Abdullah, and today we're going to talk about a tajweed rule in the Qur'an. It's called Qalb. The definition is, if ba comes after noon sakin or tanveen, then noon is converted into meme and gunna is performed. I'll show you an example. So already in Surah Al-Baqarah, there's this which is Qalb in this ayah. As you can see, above the meme, this is called tanveen. Now it could be zabar, zir, or pesh, both when there are two of them on top. Basically, two pesh here is tanveen. There could be two zabar and two zir. I'll show you an example if I can see. Just give me a second, guys. So here again, here's two zir, and there could be two zabar as well. They're here. That's called, basically, this is called tanveen. Here and here. And then here. So when there's two of these, this is called tanveen. So in qalb, it can be, qalb is performed when there's tanveen or when there's noon sakin. In this case, it's tanveen. So I'll show you an example how to pronounce it. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولهم عذاب أليم بما كانوا يكذبون. So as you can see, this is pronounced alimum. So you pronounce it mum because gunna is performed. So this happens when there's the ba after the meme. So make sure there's the ba. This one is color coded, so it makes it easier to understand. But remember, if there's a ba after the meme and there's tanveen or noon sakin, then this qalb is performed. Let me say it again. وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ أَلِيمٌ بِمَا كَانُوا يَكْذِبُونَ. Let me show you another example. So in this example, guys, here, it's noon sakin because the noon, and it has this thing on top of it. So this means it's noon sakin. So let me read the ayat. الذين ينقضون عهد الله من بعد ميثاقه الذين ينقضون عهد الله من بعد ميثاقه. So in this case, it's the noon sakin that makes it so qalb is performed. Well, firstly, the meme there, and there's a ba, noon sakin. So qalb is performed. I'll give you an example of pronouncing it without qalb. Now this is incorrect, but this is just for example's sake. Let's begin. الذين ينقضون عهد الله من بعد ميثاقه. So in this case, that's wrong. It's not min. You have to pronounce qalb, which is mim. Basically join the memes together. This meme and this one. Mim ba'di, and you stretch it a bit. You can't say mim ba'di. You have to stretch it just for a tiny bit. So الذين ينقضون عهد الله من بعد ميثاقه. So just stretch it for about 1 second. So let's find another example. So again, here's another example. It's two of them, both noon sakins. There's a ba after the meme. So you do qalb here basically. The noon sakin, there's a meme, ba. Let's go. قال يا آدم أنبئهم بأسمائهم فلما أنبأهم بأسمائهم قال ألم أقل لكم إني أعلم غيب السماوات والأرض وأعلم ما تبدون وما كنتم تكتمون. So as you can see, guys, it's pronounced أنبئهم أنبأهم. So that's how it's pronounced, guys. Now, there is some people, they might pronounce it, they ignore the meme. I've heard reciters skip this. I don't know why they do that. I don't know, I really don't, guys, but in my opinion, you should just stick with the pronunciation. That's bithum. Because some reciters, they say it like this, bithum. Basically, they do ikfa, but they don't do qalb. They just do ikfa. They remove the meme and just say bithum. I don't know if that's correct or not, but the way I say is I use the qalb, which is I convert the noon into a meme basically. So it's bithum. Now majority of the qalb that's in this surah, it looks like that it's mostly using noon sakin instead of tanveen. I'll show you some more examples if I can find them. So as you can see here guys, here's another example. Min ba'dihi. Min ba'di. Mim. Here's another noon sakin one guys. Awanum bayna dhalik. Awanum bayna dhalik. ثم قست قلوبكم من بعد ذلك فهي كالحجارة أو أشد قسوة. ولقد آتينا موسى الكتاب وقفينا من بعده بالرسل وآتينا عيسى بن مريم البينات وأيدناه بروح القدس قل فلم تقتلون أنبياء الله من قبل إن كنتم مؤمنين. Now the thing with Qalb guys is it's not going to appear in every line or even on every page. It's more rarer than like Iqfa. Iqfa is very common, as you can see, it's everywhere. But Qalb it's not used that much. But it's definitely important, and it's a very important tajweed rule, and you should know it, as it will help improve your Quran recitation, and by a large margin, in my opinion. Can't seem to find any on these pages. I may be missing it, but here's two more qalbs. حسدا من عند أنفسهم من بعد ما تبين لهم الحق. But yeah guys, that's about it for the qalb. Let me just go back to the definition. If ba comes after noon sakin or tanveen, the noon is converted into meme and gunna is performed. So I hope I helped you guys. Hope you understand what qalb is. I hope you can incorporate it into your Quran recitation. Remember, you might not have this color coded tajweed, so remember it's a meme, and if there's a ba after the meme and there's tanveen or noon sakin. So here's another one with tanveen. If it's noon sakin, we find another with noon sakin. Should be tons of them here. Then qalb is performed. Mim. Summum. Alimum. Jazakallahu khairan for watching guys. Bye bye.